is filled with unknown dangers and fears. But for every little child, there's always a true pro guardian, protecting her day and night. Nothing slips past its watch. Its true pro vision can see through complete darkness, in every detail, in color clarity. Even in the darkest night, the imagery is enhanced by the powerful AI, providing daylight clarity. The True Pro sensor detects danger with precision, seeing every movement clearly, and only alerts you when real danger arrives. It sees far and wide, covering every blind spot with no exceptions. True Pro power is fueled by the sun. With only 1 hour of daily direct sunlight, it's kept fully charged all year round.
Daddy, look! Daddy!
It can also be a communicator. Helps you speak up loud and clear.
Oh, it's a strawberry.
It's for you.
Maximize the security of the True Pro Guardian with eufy Homebase to keep your data locally stored with no monthly fee. Also, it's compatible with Apple Home. Its ultra intelligence recognizes friends and family. So have no fear. Only True Pro sees the unseen.